There you go, sweetie.
Thank you, babe. Smile, you're on Candid Kid.
What are you recording for?
Well, I got an idea.
What?
Why don't we open up the trunk?
Uh-huh.
And show us what you got in there.
You want to see the junk in my trunk?
I want to see what you carry for an emergency.
Oh, yeah. These are just a few little things that I keep in here. There's a lot that you can choose, but for on the road, you don't know where you're going to be. In emergencies, you got to have water. So this is a life straw. You can filter water there. Also, I've got a cat tourniquet. A cat tourniquet is a combat application tourniquet in case somebody gets a cut that's arterial. You don't have time to wait for paramedics to get there.
Right.
Well, I've got some paracord here and a can opener because you might be a place where you've got cans of food, but you don't have a way to get into that food.
Awesome.
And it might be at night, so light. And I know from my police days, as you know, I've got over 30 years in law enforcement. A good flashlight is one that you can also employ as an impact weapon. Glass breakage, you know, in case you need to break the glass to get out of the car. This is just another water filter. It's one that you can screw onto a water bottle and then drink the water out that way. Some binoculars. A little rain poncho to keep the water off of you. And I'll show you this in a minute. Here's emergency water. These are little packs of emergency water that you can pack up. Yeah, you can have those.
Really cool, babe.
And a lot of people will pack matches, but I tell you what, matches get wet, they don't light. This, a good lighter, is 1,000 matches. So I'll use one of those. And then also a good multi-tool. This is pliers, screwdrivers, a little saw, all kinds of stuff. And what I want to show you here, this is a military MRE. This has a long shelf life. You can throw that in there, forget about it.
Right.
And you've got everything you need to eat, to prepare the food. This one is chicken, egg, noodles, and vegetables and sauce. But it's got all kinds of different things in here. And we'll unpack one later on and show you everything that's in there. But this is Department of Defense, meal ready to eat. It's warfighter recommended, warfighter tested, warfighter approved. And what I like about that is I got this neat little, you know, I'm a guy on gadgets. You ever seen one of these?
No.
All right. And it comes, the MRE, this comes with a little spoon in there. But I like this little setup is you press this comes apart, and you got a fork, a knife, and a spoon. Isn't that neat?
That is
and they're reusable. So there you go.
And then in the winter, you always have a blanket in there too, don't you?
Yeah. We've got this big towel here, but there's other things that we'll break down in other videos later on. So don't forget.
Why don't we go make a video and eat an MRE?
Let's go cut one of these open and eat it up. So hang tight. Watch for our next video where we're going to open one of these up. We're going to prepare it. We're going to tell you the truth about how it tastes. Okay? But don't forget, if you want one of these MREs, you want to buy a case of them, you click the link below and go to our TikTok shop and grab one there, or grab as many as you need there. And then you don't have to worry about that. Then you've got your food covered.
That's right.
Think tactically and stay safe.
Y listo.